In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Loom screen recording, whether it's your own video or someone else's. Plus, what to do if the download option isn't available. Let's dive right in and simplify this process so you can easily save your important recordings. If you're looking to download your own Loom recording, the process is quite straightforward. Start by heading over to your Loom library where all your recorded videos reside. Once you're there, locate the particular video you want to download. Above the video preview, you'll notice a three-dot menu. It's a familiar symbol that often hides more options. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down, select Download, and just like that, your video is saved as an MP4 file on your computer. Now, keep in mind, this option is available to users with specific roles. If you're an admin or creator in business or Business Plus AI workspaces, you have access. The same applies to admins in education workspaces and both admins and members in enterprise workspaces. However, if you're using Creator Lite or the Starter free plan, downloading might not be an option for you. Perhaps you want to enable others to download your recording. That's possible too, but you'll need to tweak a setting first. Open up the video menu and click on the Edit tab. From there, navigate to the Settings, and you'll see an Audience tab. Here, you'll find a toggle for downloads. Switch it on, and you'll grant viewers, assuming they are signed in, permission to download the video themselves. This little step can save you some time and let others get directly what they need from your content. There are some additional considerations worth mentioning. Loom videos that exceed 20 GB, which translates to approximately 3 hours of footage at 4K quality, can't be downloaded directly. It's also important to note that downloaded MP4s include trimmed edits you might have made, but won't have extra features like CTAs, chapters, captions, or filler word removals. The aspect ratio you see when you play back a downloaded video will match the original recording. So, if you recorded in a unique resolution, it might look a bit stretched. Now, what if you don't see the download option at all? You can always request the video owner to enable downloads using the method I described earlier. Alternatively, if you have authorization to access the content, using a screen recording tool such as OBS Studio or Camtasia can be a reliable workaround. Just open the Loom video, start recording your screen while the video plays, and once it's finished, stop recording. The resulting file will be saved directly on your computer, easily accessible whenever you need it. I hope this guide has equipped you with all the information you need to download a Loom screen recording. Thank you for joining me, and happy downloading.